David, Lemon, 5-star. Picking where they carry for back, no they know, say Johnny far. Any ant that you see dancing on top of a river definitely has a drummer under the river. A word is enough for the wise. Now, before I say the reason of this video, quick one. I know many people will come after me after this video. Some will appreciate it. God bless you in advance. Some will talk against it. Some will try to write any negative comment thinking they're trying to use it to spite me or get at me. But I want to use this same medium to still let you know that whatever comment you are about to write, mind you, my dark shade I can't read your comment. I don't know. Funny enough, you're the one that will see my video and get pained. Whatever you're writing, thousands of comments. When I want to start the read, am I mad? Some of you might try to want to get me on WhatsApp and send me voice note just to pain me. Mind you, it's from earpiece and Apple One. The music is loud. I cannot listen to your hate speech. Funny enough, I will say it again. As bitter as the truth, you're the one that will still watch my video and get pained. Scroll up, make a high blood pressure boogie. Quick one. Lemon. I called you on phone. We talked about this, but I'm still gonna say it here to clear the air. I've said this without hiding words. Two women cannot live under the same roof and live peacefully. My grandfather got married to 3 different women, 3 wives, and they all live separately in different huts. Now when you get this one time, in they go meet this one. When you get this one time, Israel go or that one come. To manage one woman alone is very problematic. Talk more of having 2 problems. Do you want to die before your time? Women. The only gender where they bleed every month, yet they no really die. Women, the only creature that even God never pleased them finish. God give them eyebrow, they clean and draw their own. God give them normal contact lens, they add artificial one join. God make their jaw to be normal, then they took themselves injection, make jaw come out. Give them normal bobby where be their size, some drink something, add silicone to make them big. Bomb where they moderate, they won't make it large. Create them in his own image. As black people, they get mind, clean God image, come out for their body. Use organic cream, turn themselves to the image where they want. The one where God give them nalayo. And you get mind, carry 2, say you want please. Women are oracles. They can bless you. They can actually curse you. Use your number 6. I've said this severally and I'll say it again. You can't make the 2 of them happy at once. It is not dumb. You made a video saying the both of you are fine, everybody is okay, everybody's fine, this and that, you're with your wife, so you're okay. I'm holding the phone, I asked you, are you sure of this step you are taking? You said yes. Not too long, you made another video, you're kneeling down, crying that you are bullying the other person. But there was a time Mary was being bullied by some people. Did you kneel down like this to cry? Did you kneel down to ask them to stop bullying her? Let's use our tongue to count our teeth. Some might come out here and say, yes, his private life, why are you interfering? F you, I have every right to interfere because all set here now, you go pick phone, they shout, why is one where you there? I know we'll get peace of mind, do things what I need to do. So I will say it here now. So when you go call me for that phone, if I don't answer, everybody will say, yes, I don't talk up. You can't please the both of them. It's not done. I asked you, get another apartment for this lady. Doesn't mean you're not getting married to her. Pending when she's going to give birth. 2 of them no free day. For crying out loud, you just settled with your first wife. The both of you need time, need attention, need an holiday. Mention where you want to go, you know, great talk. Spend time, that time you've spent with Joy, spend it with this Mary. Those that are Igbo, ask an Igbo person to translate for you. In fact, what am I saying? Let me say it in English. More know whether picking, but let's have go still enter this one, the way the second one don't get. You just reconciled with your wife, and the next thing you're now crying, you're shedding tears. It's just like entering from fry pan to fire. Now what you call life can do? You can use your head, you're an Igbo man. And if anybody comes to my comment section and write, she's your fellow Igbo, thunder from Akwa Ibom, thunder from Edo, thunder from Benin, go enter night bus, come knock you for where you did. Because you're living in a more digital world and you're talking about tribalism. You see the truth, say it the way it is. I'm sorry I have to hit the nail on the head. That lady is pained. She didn't see this settlement coming soon. Even me, myself, I didn't believe it was going to happen. But where God they pass man be that. We have been on this for months, since early this year till now, almost the end of the year, and God reveal himself. God no be your mate. She didn't see it. I thought you were okay with the both of you being together. Why? There are some things I wouldn't say online here. She didn't see the settlement coming so fast and so quick and so easy. All the my husband don't reduce now. Now you're saying she's in the room, she's moody, what if I tell you that probably if you check well, there might be no bully. There might be nobody. Because she doesn't leave the house. She'll only go out for antenatal and come back. What else? There might be no bully, there might be nobody writing it in the gate. There might be just few people, and it's not enough reason for her to lock herself in the room and start crying. Never. Of course, even if there are bullies, they were bullying her even when Mary has not fully entered now as the wife. Why did she cry all that period? Where was her tears all that very period? Why didn't you come out and kneel down and tell them to stop bullying her? Cry. Why did she shed tears? Now you're shedding tears. You dey cry now. The same tears that you made the lady shed in and out for months. You reach your turn now, barely 3 days. You don't lock yourself for a room to cry. You can't take it. You can't stand it. Stop looking for a reason to cry. Do you know, me and you know the reason why they cry? It is not any bully. They've been bullying you, they come. I will still say it again. Why this period don't come to prepare you pass? Come on now, you are the Igbo person. Act like one. Act, think like one. I will not elaborate much on this. Now you get your wives. Now you know how you want to arrange them. If you decide that fine, it's okay for you to have the both of them under your roof, you can get and take care of them and control them, and it's going to work out fine for you. Kudos, man. Okay, Kebu. I'll give you a hand. But those sets here, when the time bomb explodes, don't come knocking on my door. Don't disturb my phones with call. Because that time I feel no answer. I literally don't think there's another way for me to express how I feel. Make I not go offend too many people. I just leave the talk here where it is. My name now is Wise One.